Enter the enchanting realm of Inflate-A-Party, where the spirit of celebration soars to unprecedented heights and joy commands the spotlight. We specialize in the alchemy of turning ordinary gatherings into extraordinary experiences, infusing each event with a sprinkle of magic that lingers in the air. Witness our unwavering commitment to elevating your celebrations manifested in the diverse array of exceptional party rentals we offer. This curated collection weaves a tapestry of laughter, bursts of color, and an ambience of unrivaled merriment that sets your gatherings apart. Embark on a journey of unparalleled festivities by dialing 919-740-2429, where Inflate-A-Party unfolds a cascade of possibilities. Explore the wonders of our services at www.inflate-A-Party.com, a digital realm where the commonplace effortlessly evolves into the extraordinary. Immerse yourself in the thrill highlighted by our water slide rentals in Raleigh, North Carolina. From the exhilarating rush of water slides to many essential party elements, our offerings are meticulously curated to transform your gatherings into unforgettable sagas. At Inflate-A-Party, we transcend the notion of mere rentals. We craft experiences that transform each celebration into a masterpiece etched in the canvas of your cherished moments. Dive into a realm where joy flows as freely as water. Let us be your trusted partner in curating events that meet and exceed expectations.